Okay, so this is how it looks now. Some parts is hanged up. I'm not painting the black side. I will paint this side. It's going to be grey. I have fixed those small things up now, so it should be ready to go. I just need to put some masking on it, some tape, to cover up the black things on the table, of course. It looks okay. Those I will probably not paint grey. I'm thinking of painting them in the black color instead. I can do that in the same time and just put on some clear afterwards. So this is how it is at the moment. I will continue when I'm back a bit later today. Small update before I put down the color. I have masked everything. I'm just gonna tack it off. Then I'm gonna shoot the paint. I have changed my mind. I won't do grey paint on them. I actually found something else in my cabinet, so you will see. I don't have the ability to record when I'm painting today. I have no stand as such, so, and I need to have full control when I lay down the base coat. But I will shoot some more in short. Okay, I'm back. I have now, as you can see, put down some red color. It's a red candy. So I just shot the second stage, the candy mixed in the clear. It's a 1K clear. It looks damn nice, I would say. Still, it will be at least one more stage, one more base. I'm gonna put down a black gray on the top here that goes down around the front, and as well on this. And after that, of course, at least 2 layers of clear. I can see some mist there. Too much color. Doesn't look like I have missed that much. It's the first time I put down a clear. It's a bit cold in here. I need to get my heater working soon. It's hard to do anything good without it. So yeah, it looks okay. I will continue with the next things tomorrow. See you. Bye.